Mini Bike Nate here. I guess today we're painting. Part 1 of Project Bonanza ended with us sanding and priming the frame in preparation for paint. In Part 2, we're gonna go from this to something more like this. But first, we have to actually paint. We are using Duplicolor Bahama Blue Metallic Lacquer paint. This will be a little bit brighter than the original paint, but should still be very reminiscent of the OEM color. Also, you can get this stuff at most automotive stores.
Yeah, I know you have to wet sand that a little bit. Looks pretty fork-in, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Blue.
Looks cool. Cool.
The plan for the day is short and sweet. Paint the top of the fork, the swing arm, and then the frame.
Not bad for old metal.
Sam, looking at all those old pits and marks.
Good one where the sprocket got it back over here.
Yeah. Second coat on the fork?
Yep. On the swing arm.
Swing arm, I'm sorry. Not thinking. Oh, there's the fork.
Alright, that's enough forking around.
It's a good looking blue though.
Yeah, I like it.
It really makes those pits show up. What are you doing?
Maggie. Hooking paint. Shows its age underneath all that. Somebody put in a spare hole right there. I don't know what that was about.
Yeah.
That's good, man. We just need to cut the axles. I got some shocks ordered, so we'll be having it sitting.
Oh, you ordered some shocks? Our makeshift paint booth is a simple pop-up tent with a tarp for a windbreak. To hang the frame, we're using 2 ladders, an old wooden rod, and some metal clothes hangers to suspend the frame up in the air. This base coat will be our jumping off point for reassembling the bike. Coming up, we'll need to rebuild the jack shaft, assemble the front and rear suspensions, modify our front forks to work properly with this frame since it came off of a Rupp mini bike, select a motor, build brakes, a throttle linkage, wheels and tires. This project is really just getting started.
Afraid that's about as good as she's gonna get.
But at least the colors match.
Yeah. So if you put this guy in here, that's it. It'd be just a swinging.
Yep.
Just like that. Pretty neat, man. Pretty neat.
So now that everything's all sanded and primed, we are painting with some Bahama Blue Duplicolor.
Yeah, we got the blues.